Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Steam games not showing up in store. If Steam games are not showing up in the store, it can prevent you from browsing or purchasing games properly. This issue is often caused by filters, region settings, or cache problems. This guide will walk you through how to fix Steam Store games not appearing on your Windows computer. To begin, open Steam on your PC. Make sure to log into your account. Click the Store tab at the top. Scroll down and check if any filters are enabled. Click on Browse. Click My Preferences. Review content filters, for example, mature content or tags. Check filters that may hide games. Now go to the Steam settings in the top left menu. Then click In-Game. Click Delete on Delete web browser data. Restart Steam to refresh the store. Also check your region settings and your account details. Lastly, update Steam if a new version is available. Tip: you can also visit the Steam store in the browser to confirm if the issue is app specific. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.